welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Baldur's Gate 3 gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and then check whether controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and here select enable Steam input and after that launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next, come back again and select disable Steam input and then check if controller is working or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after the game files are verified, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check whether it's working or not. So if there is any update available, you will be able to see over here. Simply update your game and then try to launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update. Click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows and after that launch the game and check if the controller is working now or not. Next is to remove controller and add it again. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. Your controller will be added over. You have to first remove it. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts again, go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else, add your controller over here and after that check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to launch Steam in big picture mode. So what you have to do is just go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here you can see big picture mode. You simply have to click on it. After you enter big picture mode, here you have to select your game and try to play the game. After that, click on Steam option, click on power and click on exit big picture mode. Now after that, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google or you can simply go through the link that I have already provided in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the download option. Once DS4 Windows tool is downloaded, you have to install it. After that, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch the game and then check for the error. So using these methods, you can easily resolve Baldur's Gate 3 game, controller not working or gamepad not working. So that's all for in this video. Thank you.